and say, I've run my race at CPS, I've fought the good fight of faith, I've kept the faith. I wait the greater tasks ahead of me, and He, the Lord Jesus, who took me through the end of CPS, will see to it that I accomplish that He proposed for me. Contrary to my initial thinking and to my beliefs, I'm convinced that I am replaceable at CPS. I believe that there's a better person out there for my position, just as I believe that I'm a better person wherever I'm going. It is sheer selfishness to hold on at CPS just for the sake of having a job to point at. Like the Lord, I can say it is expedient that I go, for I know CPS will become better as I also will become better by stepping up towards my ambitions, passions, and vision. We are never better by being stagnant. We actually become worse. And we were created with the ability to grow, to move forward, and to reproduce. Thus, we are expected, not only by our supervisors, but also by our Maker to be productive. However, productivity comes best when we are flexible enough to embrace change. I wish the best of growth, productivity, and prosperity for CPS, its staff, management, and board. We will surely meet at the top. God bless you. Thank you.